Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Valorant is not launching, not starting, or not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click and then select show more options. Click on properties. Click on the compatibility tab. Now here you'll find this option, disable full screen optimizations, check that. Run this program as an administrator, check that. Click on apply and then OK. And after that, you need to launch the Valorant game. So just simply click on that. So this time it will work. And then you can just simply sign in with your account right here. So I will not just simply sign in with you, with my account right here, because I'm just going to share it to you on how you can open the application. So in your case, just simply sign in with your account and then enjoy the game. The next method is we need to check the VGC service. So in the Windows search bar right here, type services. Click on it under the best match. Now simply click on one service and then press the letter V key on your keyboard and you will be directed here at the VGC service. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is not yet running, click on start. If this is already running, click on stop. Then click on start to restart the service. Apply and then OK, and then close this window. And then after that, launch the Valorant game. Then locate your Valorant desktop icon. We are going to run the application as an administrator. Make a right click and then select run as administrator. Now most of the time, running the application as an administrator, this will let you open the application. So let's just wait for that to open, and once that is open, you can just simply sign in right here with your account. Then that's it. Then for the next method is we also need to update our graphics card driver, as outdated graphics card driver is or can also be the cause of the issue. So make a right click at the start button and then select device manager and the list of options. Then here you'll find display adapters. Make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and close this window. And also update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will not only check for updates, but this will also download and install all the updates on your Windows. So once that is done, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Valorant game. Then for the next method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus, because this can block the application from launching. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, temporarily close that. So click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Here you'll find Malwarebytes. Simply right click and then select quit Malwarebytes, and then click on the Windows security icon. Click on virus and threat protection. Then you'll find manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Then turn off the real-time protection, and after that, launch the game. And if it is launching this time, go back to the Windows security icon and then enable it, because this is a very important security for your Windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the app. So type app wiz.cpl on the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Then here type Valorant. Click on it, select uninstall. Click on OK. We need to completely close Valorant from here. Make a right click, select exit. Click on OK and then uninstall it again. Click on done. Then we need to reinstall it. So open any of your favorite browser and just simply type in the search bar Valorant download, hit enter. Then you will find this playvalorant.com. Download the game Valorant, click on it. Then simply click this button, download, and the installer file will be downloaded right here. Then simply click on it and close the Edge browser. Click on install. And from here, you can just simply sign in with your credentials. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.